So in this video, we're going to walk you through an example of how you can take rough, lightweight notes and turn it into really any kind of content. In this case, it'll be a blog post. So you can see here, I have a document open with just some rough, lightweight notes on a marketing strategy. And to turn it into a blog post, all I have to do is just go to this command menu, select blog post, and then I can optionally enter in an audience, a goal, and a voice and tone that I want to write it in. So for this one, I want it to be for small business owners. The goal is education, and let's choose the tone informative. I click create, and Strut gets to work. Now, the great thing about Strut is even if your notes are incomplete or just super messy, it can actually intelligently go in there, understand what you're trying to convey, and expand on it even when it makes sense. So in this case, you can see here that I just write 4 P's of marketing. And Strut's smart enough to know that it can take that, expand it, explain what that is, again, with the goal of educating this audience. So we'll skip ahead to the response, and then we'll talk about how we can turn this into this finished product. So you can see that Strut's taken these little bit of notes and turned it into a really fleshed out blog post. And to get to the finished product, we actually have a couple options. One, I can actually just chat with Strut and ask it to rewrite the document or the response based on some different inputs, say change up the language, make it longer or shorter. But in this case, I actually like what I'm seeing. So I can go ahead and just create a document and add this content to that document. Or because I have a document already open, I can just go ahead and say insert this to this document. So I'll just click add to document, and now I can go ahead and start cleaning it up. To do that, I can share this with coworkers and collaborate in real time with them on it, or even just work with the AI on improving particular sections. For example, I like that it broke out traditional versus digital marketing, but I think the section is too long. So I can go ahead and just highlight it, click AI edit, and in this case, choose to reduce the length. You can even see here that in these little sections, I can work with the AI on just tightening it up and getting it to the finished product. So yeah, I hope this is a good example of how you can go quickly from just very lightweight notes to a great starting point for your blog post, to even using the AI to improve particular sections of your blog post. And so ultimately, getting your ideas out quicker. Thanks so much and enjoy.